Excellent. Tiny bit right here. Right. Good. And line. Excellent. It's real easy. Good. Excellent. Excellent. And we're sort of decompressing. Like that.
Oh.
Perfect.
That even cracked.
All right. Okay, so you have a lot of pressure in the upper back. We know when we took those x-rays that you tilt to the side a little bit. You have the propensity that it curls in this way. So what we're going to do is we're going to correct this area. We're going to adjust an area in the neck, allow a good nurse ply, and get the shoulders back in alignment. And also a lot of times in the sacrum, we may find some things there. So that's what we're going to take care of today. Okay, so let's go face down. All right, so it's definitely coming that way with the sacrum. Feel that? Yeah, it's really, so it works real hard because it's tilting away that the muscles are trying to pull that back into alignment. So we're going to take care of this one first, okay? So let's go and have a seat right over here. And interlace behind your neck and lie back down real gently. It's real easy. Good. Excellent. Excellent. And open up nicely. Now let's go face down again. Better there. Still a little tiny bit right here. Right. Good. Side face me. And come right there, a little stretch. Excellent. Perfect. Let's line your back. I'm going to pull your head this way. Oops, as long as it's not getting stuck. No casualties there.
Nope.
Feel that there?
Yes.
It's getting stuck right here, so I'm coming this way. Excellent. A little bit off the shoulder. Excellent. And we're sort of decompressing. Like that.
Oh.
Perfect.
That even cracked.
That's good. Your shoulder dropped down quite a bit there. Let's open up the palms right there. Okay, just work that shoulder back. Beautiful. Now let's sit up and face to the left. Draw the belly button in on this one, okay? There we go. Excellent. Okay.
Oh,
Much better.
much better.
Power's on. All right, good job.
Thank you, Dr.